okusanyuka okusagamu. Otherwise ennaku Museveni gyayagala otulumya ayagala bitutame naye tebijja tutama, tujja mulwanyisa. Tetugenda kulinda kusanyuka nga tutuuse mu Uganda ensuubize, tetugenda kulinda kusanyuka luli, tujja mulwanyisa nga bwe tusanyuka. Eno struggle twagala etunyumire, era nawe gy'oli make it fashionable, make it interesting, fighting for your freedom, so that temulekerawo. Kubeno tegenda kubeera sprint, egenda kubeera marathon. Kubanga twetaaga ssente baganda bange, ze tumanyi nti ffe kennyini tusobola okwekolamu omulimu ne tuzikuŋŋaanya. Twasazeewo n'obukulembeze bw'ekibiina tuneminge akakiiko akagenda otukulembera mu kuŋŋaanya ssente zino. Basebo ne bannyabo nsaba munzikirize mbanjulire akakiiko akagenda okufundraisinga oba okukulemberamu ekibiina okuŋŋaanya ssente zino. Akakiiko ako kagenda kulemberwa Honorable Engineer Balimwezo Ronald Okukwaata. Agenda okumyuka chairperson w'akakiiko ako agenda kubeera omukyala gwe bayita Fatuma Kasim Kajat. Era omuwandiika w'akakiiko ako ajja kubeera Honorable Nakimwero Christine Kaya Akiboga. Abo bebagenda otukulembera era balondeddwa olw'obwesimbu bwabwe, olw'ekitiibwa kye balina n'olw'obwesigwa ng'ekibiina era nga ba members bwe babalinamu. N'obugambo obwo nange kennyini nsaba munzikirize nkulemberemu okusonda ssente zino. Bannange nandisonze nnyingi naye nga bwemumanyi sikyakola. So nze n'enju yange
akatono kazira mu liiso.
Nsaba munzikirize sebo Mr. Chairman, nsaba munzikirize ku lwange n'enju yange twaleseeyo check eno ya milioni 10 okugerawo.
President awadde check ya milioni 10 ku fundraising campaign drive bili abiri mu mukaaga.
Allow me very briefly to translate what I just said in English. Ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate all of you members for the constant support. Most importantly, our leaders, members of parliament, mayors and leaders in different capacities. Thank you very much for the continued support. It's because of your dedication and steadfastness that we are here and we intend to go even further. We thank the business community, comrades in the diaspora, all of you, those that sponsor us, that support us privately and secretly, and those of you that support us openly. Those of you who support us with money and other things, we appreciate. Our Secretary General has ably made it clear what we need the money for. That in the past months and few years, we were receiving funding as per the law. But as you know, the new law that was passed was targeting the NUP because they know that the money we receive from Parliament is not just for us to enjoy ourselves, but it is to facilitate the downfall of this criminal regime. Now that propelled them to enact a law to block that funding from us, primarily because we reject any collaboration or interaction with the dictator, especially an interaction that's not on principle. Ladies and gentlemen, with that we've had voices from all of you encouraging us and promising us that you will stand with the efforts of the NUP in all ways, including financially. Recently we realized that we did not have enough money, and yet we were very close to the election. That got us worried, because we know that there are many efforts to block us. We are not sure of the next day, and yet we have support from the population which can guarantee our continued continued efforts. Therefore, we as a National Unity Platform come to you because we always look back to you, the people. We are launching a fundraising drive to help us go comfortably, facilitated into the 2026 protest vote. So I hereby introduce the fundraising committee to you. The fundraising committee is going to be headed by none other than Honorable Engineer Ronald Balimwezo Sobuka. He's going to be deputized by Hajati Kasim Fatuma, and the secretary will be the Honorable Kaya Christine Nachimwero. And I also will launch the fundraising drive with 10 million shillings on behalf of me and my family. I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and God bless you. Pozine kando na koka kaisenga sina bakazindalo disi sente zokaba sebo ne banyabo oyali eyo nga ine ekyuma oba ebyuma ebisobola otukubira posters tuzaniriza oyali eyo nga asobola otukolera banners oba t-shirts oba ekintu kyonna ekiyinza otuyamba mu kalulu tubyaniriza oyali eyo nga asobola notuwa emmere oba amafuta byonna byonna tubyaniriza kyonna
oba emmotoka oba medical equipments protective gears ensonga mugitegedde gyategeeza ayina ekintu ekikalu nga si sente protective gears, medical equipments.
So the president is receiving a certificate of 5-star for having even the pattern contributed 10 million shillings.
Wow.
Thank you.
Ochali mulabe mulungi owa Map Media TV. Yes, Map Media TV 1, Map Media TV 2. 5-star.
Akachiko ndoza msigaleo. People power. Our power. Baseo ne banyabo.